This is the main reason why prices are going up on Brent crude oil and natural gas. Watch the video. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see what's happening on the Brent crude oil and on natural gas and the reasons behind their surge, so why their prices are going up. But before starting, subscribe, leave a like, click on the bell and leave a comment below with subscribed. I'm gonna reply as soon as possible. So this is a new format. I'm bringing new videos on my channel because I want to add more value for my viewers, and I'm gonna share with you my visions on the market. And of course, this is not a financial advice. This is just my thought. So you should trade according to your strategies. So here we are on the Brent crude oil futures chart, daily chart. As you can see from the graph, the situation is pretty clear because from the last part of the 2020 and the first part of 21 March, okay, the first quarter, we got a nice bullish leg. So the price reaching the 70.00 and then retracing in April and then continuing this bullish impulse, the second leg here, and reaching the 76 level around July. We got a second retracement in August and September, the price getting closer to the 200 moving average, so going below the 50 on price, okay, retesting this price zone, as you can see from the rectangle, and then going up, started again to going up, first approaching the 50 MA, and in the last week after this doji we got a third bullish impulse, and it's still going up, and there are clear reasons behind this soar. So let's jump to dailyfx.com, and the main reason behind this soar is the continued rollback of COVID-19 restrictions in economies around the globe. So the economies are starting again to produce, and this situation is driving demand even higher, okay, and the supply is struggling to keep up. Of course, the OPEC will meet in the next October the 4th, so they will need to increase production to help the shortage, because there is a huge shortage on the market. And the main reason is because Asian economies have a very high demand, so they use a lot for their production, the oil, crude oil. And my vision on this market is, of course, is long, but I'm gonna keep my eye on the next OPEC meeting. Let's see what will happen if they are going to increase the production, and if the production will keep up with a high demand. Okay, in case it will not happen, the price, of course, is going up. So my vision remains on long. This is not a financial advice, of course, and you should trade according to your strategies. Let's jump to the natural gas. We are on the futures charts, daily chart. The situation in the first part of the year was a little bit more calm. As you can see, we got a lateral zone. Okay, the price not going anywhere, but dancing between 292 and 250, approaching the 200 MA, and then in May started to go up, but calmly. So we got a nice bullish impulse, retracing again on the 50 moving average, and we got a third bullish impulse, nice impulse in September, And the last week, okay, and the beginning of this week, we got a booming bullish impulse. As you can see, the price is going up even stronger than before. So we got different reason behind this soar, and I'm gonna show you now. So the price on natural gas are going up as supply remains unable to meet the demand in Europe, okay? And the inventory in Europe is crumbling. So the reason behind this shortage in Europe is in part due to the heavy demand from Asia. And the second reason is the cutback in supply from Russia. As you know, the Russia and Europe relationships, political relationship, are not so good. So we are gonna expect an additional soar. Okay, the price will go up. So my vision is long, even because usually markets anticipate further demand, and the main problem is that if the big cold will come, okay, the winter will be very cold, and it will start like in October or November, especially in Northern Europe. The price will go up because the demand will increase, and the supply is very low. So my vision is long. Of course, we're gonna see what will happen in the next month, in the winter months. So that's it for today. I hope you appreciated this new format. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this situation. What's your vision on this market? Nothing. For today is everything. Subscribe.